What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is another update on Ethereum. We're going to take a look at Ethereum and what it's been doing and what to expect next. We're going to go to a high time frame, the 4 hourly, where we can see the value area high that has been hit. That was on the 4th of January. We hit the value area high only to get a rejection to the downside, and ever since we've been pulling back. Ethereum seems that it was in a possibly a 1 2, then possibly another 1 2, and this is a third wave up, and this will mean that this was a 1 2 and this is a 3. The third wave up, is it completed or not? We can take a look at the fib extensions for Ethereum. We have a 1 and a possibly 2, and it hit the 1 to 1 extension, which was at the value area high, which was good enough for me. We could be done with the wave 3. How deep will the wave 4 come? So if we say our wave 3 began, this was a 1 2, so our wave 3 either began over here, our main wave. This was our small account wave 3, and it had 5 wave in it, and we look at that. We retraced exactly, well, not exactly, but we hit the we went below the 0.236. I'll get rid of that. We went below the 0.236 and held. We broke below and held. We didn't go to the 0.382, same as Solana. Projections for Ethereum. Ethereum can come down to the 1225 and still be in a bullish setup as a wave 4 and a 5. Breaking below it may give us another reason to think that it's another setup. However, if Ethereum comes down to the golden pocket over here, the 1212 or 1215, we could possibly have another 1 2 and another small account 1 2 and continue up in a third wave. But even if we say that Ethereum is done over here with this retrace of a wave 4, same as for Solana, we could count the possible projection for the wave 5. We take the length of wave 1 and bring it to the drop of wave 4, the peak of wave 4 at the bottom, obviously, because it's a retrace to the downside. You can see the 1 to 1 is at 1327 and the 1.618 is at 1380. Now, if Ethereum decides to drop even lower and says, okay, I need to go to the 0.5 fib, we could have the 1311 and the 1360. Both scenarios for Ethereum. If it's going to move higher, if it's going to retrace slightly lower to the 1225, or it's going to blow up from here, then we're going above the 1300 range. Okay, that's the targets for Ethereum to the upside. To the downside, we still have our POC at 1217, and we have our value area low at 1160. We have our January 2021. It says 2020, but I forgot to save it. It's 2021 POC. The January 2021 point of control for the fixed range volume profile. If we go back to January 2021 here, this is 2021. The POC, I marked it out in value area high and value area low. Now, I believe Ethereum could go lower. Ethereum has been trading slightly better than Bitcoin ever since these lows of November. We've been moving in higher lows and higher lows and higher lows. So we might still have one more hit to the upside. 1320 to 1380 range would bring us somewhere around here. 1350 would be this peak. I would expect a good rejection here. Why? Because we had a 1 2 and third rejection around the same zone. If you want to count this previous candle, you could see that we also got a small rejection over there. Everything is doing the same thing. We're currently holding support. We're above the moving averages. Are we going to explode? On the 4 hourly, we're overextended. So I feel a retrace to at least 1224, which brings us down to that 0.5 fib retracement. Hit the 50 EMA if you want to continue high. This is on the 4 hourly. On the 1 hour, 1224 will be 200 EMA. On the daily, can we see any EMAs on the upside to see as resistance? Our EMAs are far up at around 1500. So I don't see us getting there anytime soon. Our 233 will be at around 1588. On the weekly, obviously, they'll be much, much higher. That's my update on Ethereum. If we continue low, I've given you the targets. This zone of 1350 is a liquidity zone. We have this insufficiency. It's a value gap. I mean, even if we go up there, will we? We'll still have the 200 EMA as resistance on our way. That's my update for Ethereum. Hope you liked it. Smash the likes, click the notification, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't joined the free Discord, link is in the channel description and in the video description. More trades, I'm out.